everyone, welcome to Home Cookings for the Birds. This is Papa's hot wings. They are so good, finger licking good. So he starts out by cutting the wings off. Now that he's completed that process, he's going to get his indoor grill ready. He's got a 9x13 pan here, and he's bought some disposable grill toppers. You can get these at the dollar store for $1. He is going to take this and fold it over this pan. This is a perfect way to do hot wings in the oven, and that pan will catch all the drippings, and it's so easy to clean up. This is a disposable grill topper, so you can actually throw this away or recycle it. And he puts these wings in the oven for 30 minutes, and then he's going to go ahead and get his sauce ready. We've got 3 tablespoons of butter, a half a cup of hot sauce, and then he's going to add a half a teaspoon of garlic and a half a teaspoon of celery seed. And he cooked this on low to medium heat for maybe 5 minutes until that butter melted. Then he cut it off and he just stirred it around to blend it together. Now he's going to baste these chicken wings. Looking good. And he is going to put them back in the oven for 5 minutes. And he just basted that one side. Now he's taking them out, and he is going to flip these over and baste the other side. Now, when you baste these, one layer is mild, he explained to me. But if you put this on heavy, like 2 or 3 times, they will get hot. And they do. They get hot, and they're so good. These hot wings, Papa's hot wings, they are the best. I would rather have these than any that you can find out in the restaurants. Now back in the oven for 5 minutes, and voila, there they are. They look great. I hope you guys are enjoying this video, and I'm gonna go have some hot wings.